Today we'll be going over the operation of a P1001BX keyloader. This keyloader is Motorola's first keyloader and precedes the later T3000 series. This keyloader is meant for loading DVP keys into DVP equipment. DVP was the first encryption algorithm for Motorola's SECURENET proprietary voice encryption system, and it consists of a 138-bit key. 71 bits are entered by the user in an octal format. 65 bits are figured out by the keyloader through mathematical operations, and the remaining 2 bits are null bits. This keyloader is very primitive and very counterintuitive to operate. First off, you need a security dingus in order to load keys into the keyloader. The security dingus just shorts pin 1 and pin 2, and you can build it right into the cable without any consequences, especially if you use it on other keyloaders. It will not harm them. To operate this keyloader, first you got to turn it on by flipping the power switch from the filled to the open position. A little red light will come on the top of the keyloader. To get the processor running, you have to hit the ready button, and it will now bring up a 0. Very explanatory. This 0 basically just means that it's ready for input or it's ready for key loading. However, this will not tell you if a key is loaded or not, because if I push the PTT switch, it'll flash a 7 at me, and it's telling me that the key is not loaded. As well, if the battery is low, it will flash a 9 at me, saying that the battery is low. To load a key into this keyloader, you just start punching numbers in with the security dingus attached. And here's a common problem. Since this uses a rubber dome keyboard here, underneath there's little rubber domes. This will happen where it bounces and it puts more than one number. To fix that, you press the clear key, and you can just retype the whole entire string here. And you can see that 0 key just absolutely vomited all over my my key here. To view your key that you just entered, you hit the sequential button, and I'm going to retype this. There we go. And sometimes you'll have to cycle through a few times because, again, these keys are very touchy. They probably need to be repainted with lead paint, and just so that way they're conductive again and not bouncy like they are right now. To accept this key that you just entered, hit the PTT switch. Any equipment attached, if you built it right into the cable, will be immediately keyloaded with that key. And you can also keyload it again, or any other equipment that you want to keyload. This will only load non-ASN single key radios or equipment. It will never, ever, ever load ASN equipment, and it will especially never load Astro equipment. It also will not load multi-key equipment with any slots past the first slot. So forget ASN, forget anything Astro. This is strictly for non-ASN equipment only. This is also a single key keyloader. You can only have one key in the internal memory at a time. To clear the key, you can either take the battery out and you let it sit for about 5 minutes and it'll be erased, or you could take the back cover off and have the security switch pop open, or this is its automatic shut off. It has no internal speaker or anything to let you know that it'll be shutting off. It just shuts off after 45 seconds and no input when it's in program mode with the key, or it will shut off after 5 to 10 seconds of no input in normal mode. To also, if you want to destroy your key, all you got to do is press a number, turn the keyloader off, on, and it's gone. very easy to destroy your keys. Now, your key is loaded, and you can do this as many times as you want. Again, this key loader is very primitive. There's not really any secret menus or anything. There's no OTAR, there's no KMCs, there's no nothing. This is strictly for pushing a key out this end, into this end, and you're done. So, and this will only load DVP. It will never load dvp-xl, DES, or anything of the sort, unless someone completely overhauls one of these. And these are also sort of collectible. So if you find one, they're going to be a little pricey. So this is the video on how to operate a P1001BX key loader. If you have any questions, any further questions, please let me know. Or if I missed something also, put it in the comments below. If you want to see more equipment like this, or videos about equipment like this, excuse me, please let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.